Here we are going to discuss about Git usage. It's a source code management tool. Git is a version control system that helps you keep track of code changes and collaborate with others on code projects. Git is distributed, meaning that every developer has a local copy of the entire repository and its history. Git is fast, efficient, and secure as it uses hashes to identify and verify changes. Git allows you to branch and merge your code easily, enabling parallel development and experimentation. Git lets you undo and rewrite your code history, giving you flexibility and control over your work. Git enables you to sync and share your code with remote repositories such as GitHub, Bitbucket, or GitLab. Git supports GitOps, a set of practices that use Git as a single source of truth for software delivery. To use Git, you need to install it on your system and configure it with your name and email. To start a new project with Git, you need to initialize a repository with Git init or clone an existing one with Git clone. To save changes to your code, you need to stage them with Git add and commit them with Git commit. To inspect your code history, you can use Git log, Git status, Git diff, and other commands. To undo or rewrite your code's history, you can use git reset, git checkout, git revert, git rebase, and other commands. To sync and share your code with remote repositories, you can use git push, git pull, git fetch, and other commands.